Medication Administration Supplies.
My name is Professor Woldai, and today I'll be covering all the supplies for medication administration. Here to our left, we have all the supplies that we need for our PO, medication administration. We have our medicine cup, and then we have our cup for our water. Next, we have our supplies for our nasogastric tube medication administration. We have our sterile water, and then we have our irrigation tray with our piston syringe. Next, we have all the supplies for our subcutaneous medication administration. We have our alcohol prep pad, and then we have our 24 to 27 gauge syringes. We have our 25 gauge 3 ml syringe and our 27 gauge 1 ml syringe, and our gauze. Next, we have our supplies for our IV push medication administration. We have our alcohol prep pad, our 3 ml syringe, and we have our detachable needles here. And lastly, we have our 2 10 ml normal saline flushes. Next, we have our supplies for our subcutaneous insulin medication administration. We have our alcohol prep pad, our 31 gauge insulin syringe, and our gauze. Next, we have our IV primary medication administration supplies. We have our primary tubing and our alcohol prep pad. Lastly, we have our supplies for our IV piggyback medication administration. We have our alcohol prep pad and our secondary tubing. And that concludes all of the supplies for medication administration.